Whoa, who let MSI cook, man? This, my friends, is one of the fastest QD-OLED ultra-wide curved gaming monitor we have ever unboxed on the channel. That makes it some exclusive stuff, right? On that note, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, guys. You people can check out these videos as soon as I post them. This is MSI's all-new MPG series 341 CQPX Quantum OLED gaming monitor that comes with like insanely high refresh rate of up to 240 Hz and also like super fast response times of only up to like 0.03 milliseconds. That is like crazy. I'm like very excited to unbox and talk about this monitor. Now from the outside exterior's packaging looks quite funky, right? But the main thing is how is the overall display quality and gaming performance of this monitor. That is what actually matters, right? So without wasting any more time, let's quickly unbox it and check out the product. So our brand new ultra wide curved gaming monitor from MSI came in this sort of packaging, and I have to say that is one massive sized box. I mean, look at this. You've got the MSI logo, picture of the product as well on the front, and as I've told you, the model we'll be checking out today is mentioned over here. It's from their MPG series 341 CQPX Quantum OLED monitor. So that's it about the packaging, nothing else mentioned over here. Without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. At the top side, we've got some accessories over here. There's a big list of accessories included in the package. First of all, this one is your stand assembly. Just like any other gaming monitor, you're getting like a two-piece assembly, basically the neck of the stand and also like a Y-shaped leg included, guys, the bottom part. And I'm telling you, right, quality of this stand is top notch. Look at the bottom Y-shaped leg, entirely made of metal and high quality paint used on board. You get plenty of cables included in the package, like a premium quality high-speed HDMI cable, DP port cable is also there, a USB Type B cable is also included, and lastly two main cords with different styles. Last but not the least, you're also getting some paperwork. Just make sure to read that. So that's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. What I'll do is I'll quickly assemble the gaming monitor, basically install the stand on it, give you a closer look, and first of all talk about the design and build quality part. Ta-ta-da! There you go, boys, our very first hands-on and look at MSI's all-new 341 CQPX QD OLED ultra-wide curved gaming monitor. And initial impressions, I have to say, holy mother of tech, that is one beautiful looking gaming monitor. I mean, look at the whole profile, guys. Absolutely premium looking stuff. Look at that curve from the side angle. Starting off from the front profile, here you're getting a 34 inches 1800R curvature ultra wide 21:9 quantum OLED display on the front, guys. Now that itself is like a super premium tech. We'll anyhow talk about all the hardware specs and stuff at a later part in the video. Talking about the design, you're getting clean and modern aesthetics. On the front profile, you can check out the monitor panel has a nearly three-sided bezel-less design, but on the bottom you do have a little bit of chin. You've got the MSI logo on the lower left corner, and that's it. There's nothing else on the front except a tiny status LED indicator on the front side. And just behind that, backside the monitor, right here, you got all your control buttons and also I/O connectivity ports. Have a closer look at the stand. You're getting a Y-shaped metallic grey color stand that looks quite premium. It actually looks like some sort of weapon from a game, guys. That is what I can say. Having a look at the side profile of the monitor. Now that is what I'm talking about. Look at those beautiful curves. Pretty awesome, right? And here's how the back profile of the monitor looks like. Build quality of the model is also very nice, mix between metal and polycarbonate. Though back panel of the monitor is entirely made of like polycarbonate material only. You've got the MSI Dragon logo on the left side, followed by MSI QD OLED branding on the right side. Beautiful streak pattern as well. Anyways, what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at all the available connectivity ports and also show you all the buttons on this model. Easily accessible from the front side. They're placed just behind the LED indicator, guys, on the back side of the panel. You're getting a 5-way navigational joystick and two buttons, a power button and also a dedicated macro button as well. Coming to the I/O connectivity ports, you're getting decent amount of connectivity ports, which include two HDMI 2.1 ports, followed by one DP port is there. A Type-C port is also there that can even power up your devices up to 98 watts. A USB hub solution is also available with a Type-B port included, so you can directly connect all your peripherals and use it over here. And lastly, you do get a 3.5mm headphone jack included. Wait a second, I haven't told you about the adjustability, right? Monitor offers a lot of flexible adjustments. You can easily adjust the height, tilt, swivel as well, but unfortunately it doesn't support pivot, so you can't convert it into like vertical mode, guys. Obviously that was expected because this is an ultra wide curved monitor, right? I know you people are like very excited to see how does it feel playing games on this curved QD OLED monitor from MSI, right? So before we actually get there and talk about the overall performance, let me actually play some video clips over here. First check out the display panel quality, and then we'll come there and talk about my experience and share feedback regarding this monitor. Okay, you guys saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. So before I actually share my experience and feedback, first of all, let me tell you about the display panel specs. On board, you're getting a 34 inches ultra wide 21:9 aspect ratio curved quantum dot OLED display, and the main highlight would be it offers like an insanely high refresh rate of up to 240 Hz, and not to miss out, up to 0.03 millisecond G to G ultra fast response time, making it one of the fastest gaming monitor we have ever unboxed on our channel, guys. This is crazy, I would say. I've been using this gaming monitor for the last couple of days and watched a variety of content, guys, like couple of movies and also YouTube videos at maximum resolution, and not just for entertainment purpose. I've also did a bit of productivity, content creation as well, and not to miss out, obviously gaming as well. We'll come and talk about the gaming performance in a moment, but let me tell you, there is excellent amount of detail. Quad HD resolution, ultra wide quad HD to be precise, which roughly translate to around like 3440 by 1440, and no matter what sort of content you're watching, either it be like websites or you're reading something on blogs, right, text looks crisp and clear, not an issue at all. Talking about the contrast ratio and black levels, obviously, is that even a question? This is a QD OLED panel on board. You're gonna get like deepest true blacks over here. Excellent infinite contrast ratio is what I can say. And coming to the colors were also very nice. Now again, this is not something new. You people already know about quantum dot OLED panels, right? OLED panels produce like super punchy and accurate looking colors. Though I do have to mention, out of the box, the monitor actually looked a bit more saturated. It was producing more saturated colors because by default it was set to like premium color mode to give you that ekdam punch whenever you check out the display. But if you're a bit more professional sort of user and you do maybe like creative or productive sort of applications, right, for you people, nothing to worry about. MSI has also included some professional modes as well, like sRGB mode is there, Adobe RGB mode is also there, P3 mode is also included, so you can simply open the OSD menu and toggle all of these modes depending on your requirement. And let me tell you, the onboard panel is like very well color calibrated out of the box, guys. Delta E value is less than equal to 2 and supports up to like 99% DCI P3 color gamut range, especially RGB values, reds, greens and blues, pretty much on point is what I can say, guys. MSI absolutely cooked with this model. Only thing if I had to nitpick, right, since this is an ultra wide 21:9 aspect ratio monitor, it might be not that great for media consumption or entertainment purpose, especially if you watch a lot of movies or web series, right? You'll obviously get black bars not just on the top and bottom but even on the left and right side as well, so this might actually feel like you're having a smaller size monitor. Apart from that, if you're using this for like content creation, productivity, or even for gaming purpose, right, you'll get a very immersive experience, all thanks to that 1800R ultra wide curvature design. If you ask about the brightness is also pretty decent. In SDR mode, you can easily expect around like 280-300 nits of brightness, and if you're talking about HDR content, there you can expect a peak of around 1000 nits, guys, though you'll have to manually toggle that from the OSD menu and enable peak 1000 nits. Otherwise, by default, it is set to display HDR True Black 400. One more question you people might get is, since the monitor comes with a OLED panel on board, what about the screen burn-in issue? Well, let me tell you, yes, OLED panels are a bit prone to screen burn-in issues if do not handle properly. But not to worry about that on these brand new QD OLED panels from MSI, because they're including something called as their OLED Care 2.0. Basically offers like more advanced version of self-care services to prevent OLED screen burn-in issues, guys. So they're offering something known as pixel shift technology, panel protection, and also static screen detection. So if you leave the monitor idle for quite a bit of time, right, any one of these mechanisms will automatically kick in on the model and will make sure that nothing like that will happen. Keeping that aside, one really good thing I do have to appreciate is MSI is offering 3 years of warranty on the OLED panel itself, guys. So even in case something happens to the display, right, you don't need to worry about that. MSI will take care of it for you. One more thing I totally forgot to talk about is the onboard cooling solution. Usually a lot of other gaming monitors which support like high refresh rates, right, obviously come with like active cooling solution. That means you get like a built-in fan over there, and usually that fan creates a bit of disturbance and is not ideal for gamers in sort of competitions, guys. But here you don't need to worry about that. MSI has went for complete passive cooling solution, guys. There is no fan, complete fanless design is what I can say. For this they had to go for a special graphene film, guys. You people know, right, graphene film is like very well known for its excellent thermal conductivity and offers like great heat dissipation properties, and pair that with like a custom design heatsink at the backside offers like a full-on fanless design. Plus you're also getting lots of vents at the top side, right? All of this contribute to a great heat dissipation without actually using a built-in active fan, so kudos to the team. Okay, I know you people have been eagerly waiting for this part. How does it feel gaming on this ultra wide curved OLED gaming monitor from MSI? You know, I've been using this monitor for quite some time, guys, almost like 10-12 days, played a variety of games, and first of all let me tell you, the monitor comes with MSI's gaming intelligence support. Basically offers lots of gaming features and game modes as well. For different genre of games you're getting different modes, guys, each is suitable for their own scenario, like FPS mode, racing mode, and much more, just like how you were getting like professional modes for creators, right? Similarly for different games you're getting different scenarios over here. And not only that, you're also getting some exclusive gaming specific features like smart crosshair, optic scope is also there, basically like a built-in aim magnifier, and not to miss out AI vision feature that can greatly improve the dark shadow details, so you can see much better, especially in like low light situations in the game. Apart from that, a special console mode is also available, so not just for PC, you can use this monitor even for your Xbox or PS5 console as well, because it supports HDMI 2.1 with full 48 Gbps bandwidth, right? It can give you like full on 120 Hz on latest consoles with HDR support, not an issue at all. But only thing is, since it comes with an ultra wide 21:9 aspect ratio, you might get a black bars on the left and right profile playing on your console. Anyway, sharing my experience, I've played plenty of games like Spider-Man, Doom Eternal as well, Horizon Forbidden West, and I was blown away with the gaming experience, guys. I mean, since you're getting like a 1800R curvature ultra wide design, right, it feels very immersive. I mean, whenever you're playing games, right, you might have to look from left to right to give you that really immersive and crazy experience is what I can say. And not to miss out, you're also getting like super high refresh rate of up to 240 Hz at ultra wide QHD resolution, right? The overall latency input lag is like super minimum, all thanks to a QD OLED panel that offers up to 0.03 milliseconds. Not to miss out, the model also supports AMD's FreeSync Premium Pro that includes both LFC and low latency support as well, and tries to minimize ghosting effects and absolutely eliminates any sort of screen tearing, guys. I'm telling you, right, especially if you bought this monitor for gaming purpose on your PC, right, you will be blown away with the experience. By the way, MSI is having a special promotion campaign going on where if you buy one of their eligible QD OLED gaming monitors, you can get up to $100 Steam wallet code. All you need to do is just head over to this promotions page. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. Scroll down to the shout out for MSI section, and here you will find all the details, step-by-step instructions on how to redeem it. Very simple, guys. You just need to share your feedback review on your brand new eligible MSI monitor on select online platforms. And yes, you do need to register the product in MSI Member Center website and also upload an invoice copy, basically the bill for the same. Once you do that, head over to the shoutout section in the Member Center, share your review link, and it can be in either words or even a video as well, whichever you feel convenient, and that's it. Wait for the approval. Once it is approved, bam, you'll get your Steam wallet code in the same shoutout section in Member Center. More details will be in the description box below. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got all the information you're looking for on MSI's all new ultra wide curved 34 inches QD OLED gaming monitor. Main highlights would be its gaming features, guys. Really high refresh rate of up to 240 Hz at ultra wide QHD resolution, and obviously 0.03 millisecond ultra fast response time. If you have any sort of questions that you'd like to know, just let me know in the comment section and I'll try to answer you. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the pricing details, right? This monitor is available for around 1,14,999 rupees in the Indian market, but not to forget, you're also getting that $100 Steam wallet promotion, right, from the company. So make sure to claim that. That is almost like 8,400 rupees, guys. All details will be available in the description box below. If you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.